methods kung ano gamit na ng hill. So we just left Naha 20 minutes ago.
Yes.
We are adjusting. Hindi naman adjusting because we've been driving sa Japan, but ito ang feel is more provincial yung feel, no? Compared doon sa mainland. What do you think?
We're still in the mainland. We're still in Naha.
Hindi na mainland.
Okay. Yeah. This is island life of Japan.
So yung we'll be staying, first night natin is na-book mo yung hotel because it's overlooking.
It's overlooking the hill. It's on a hill. And it's halfway from, it's an hour from Naha.
So yung Naha is it's the medyo urbanized na siya.
It's the city near the airport.
We'll be returning yung car balik doon sa Naha. So we'll be staying doon sa
So yung slope control nila.
grabe naman yung slope control na yan.
Pero kasi they can plant.
Ha?
But they can.
Perfect mo yan. Alam mo kung madali man yan. We're driving a Toyota, hindi ko description ito. But maganda siya, malakas yung hatak niya. And affordable also. Including taxes, parang 1.8, may no? Tama ba?
We paid 10,000 for 5 days.
5 days. Kasi may insurance. Parang 2 to 300 per day na insurance. Okay na rin. Parang peace of mind. So what do you think of the infrastructure of Okinawa?
It's just like a small town vibe, so I like it. But their city is very much the density.
Malaki surprisingly yung Naha.
The slope nila, they had houses and commercial on their slopes.
Mga city to, ginuwan to. So kung na-drive mo yung buong Japan, ito, feel mo talaga na iba din dito.
Kasi ganito siya, the square siya because after some time they will remove it and then you can plant in between. Interesting. Ganda slope control.
Ba't nakahangad ka yan? Nakahangad dahil